Hello students, today we are going to discuss about recruitment process under chapter staffing. So first we have to discuss about staffing process, and then we are going to discuss about sources of recruitment. So first, staffing process. Under one, first step is estimating manpower requirement. Whenever you start an organization, you have to first estimate the manpower, what type of people and what kind of people are required in the organization. Second one, under this, you have to make two analysis: manpower analysis, workload analysis, and workforce analysis. Workload analysis means what type of people are required in the organization, and workforce analysis means what type of people and what kind of people are actually working in the organization. Second one is recruitment. Under this step, after estimating manpower requirement, you have to first find the right kind of people and to persuade them to apply for the job in the organization, so that they can attract and apply in the organization. And third one is selection. From the pool of candidate, from the pool of application, you have to select the best one, most suitable candidate for particular job. And then placement and orientation. You have to place that person for that particular job which he has selected, and then you have to give the orientation relating to the organization. That means he has to become familiarized about the company's rules, regulation, and their bosses also. And then training and development. We have to give them training for doing a particular job, and to develop their skills so that they can do their work very effectively and efficiently. After that, performance appraisal. We have give them target. So after that, we have to see that that targets will be achieved or not. On that basis, we have to appraise them. And next, promotion and career planning. We have to promote them as per on the basis of their performance. We have to give them future career planning, etc. as well. And last, we have to give them compensation. Means salary, wages, bonus, that will be given on the basis of time basis and on piece basis. Time basis means the salary will be paid on monthly basis, yearly basis, and on piecewise system, that means whatever he will produce in the organization, that on that basis he will get the rewarded. And next is component of staffing. Staffing has three components: first, recruitment, selection, and training. One is recruitment. Recruitment means attracting more people for the job in the organization and to tell them to apply for the job in the organization. And from where we can recruit the people: one is internal sources, one is external sources. Internal sources means when the people are appointing for the organization within the organization. That means wherever the vacant position are filled by the organization by their internal employee, then it is known as internal source of recruitment. These are of two types: one is transfer and one is promotion. Transfer means transfer from one department to another, and promotions means increases scale, grade, salary, responsibility, etc. And external source of recruitment are those from where we can get the employee from outside the organization. For example, direct recruitment, we can place the notice board so that they can employee can be appointed. Casual caller, we can call the employee to appoint for the job in the organization. We can give them advertisement in the newspaper. And campus recruitment, we can go to the institution and recruit the people from them. So this is about the staffing process and the sources of recruitment. You have to note in your copy and send it to me.